Gain unparalleled insight into pressure relief valve release events with the Fisher FIELDVUE 4400 digital position transmitter, available now for use with our Crosby J Series valves. This position transmitter has a linkage-less and easy-to-install design that is suitable for the most challenging applications. The monitor provides accurate position indication, enabling it to detect the lift, time, and duration of a PRV relief event. This 0 to 100 lift percent data can be used to calculate the volumetric release of media for the duration of a relief event and provides a higher level of reporting accuracy when compared to discrete devices. The Fisher 4400 digital position transmitter is compatible with Crosby J Series pressure relief valves. The transmitter has two configurable limit switches, which can be used for open and closed status. Also included are a status LED and local push buttons for calibration. For existing Crosby J Series valves, an authorized Crosby assembler can add the Fisher 4400 position transmitter by using an upgrade kit and calibrating the transmitter on the valve. Once the Fisher 4400 is mounted and calibrated, it is ready for use. The device provides a 4 to 20 milliamp signal with HART communication that can integrate with existing plant systems to display insights into relief events, such as valve lift over time and release duration. Here's an example of a Crosby J Series pressure relief valve with a Fisher 4400 position monitor. The magnetic array is attached to and moves with a spindle, allowing it to indicate valve position and lift through a relief event. Let's look at the graph. On the vertical axis, you will see the system pressure as a percentage of set pressure, shown in green, and the valve's percentage of lift, shown in purple. Time is shown on the horizontal axis. When the pressure at the inlet of the valve reaches approximately 93% of set pressure, the valve begins to simmer. During simmering, the valve lifts slightly to allow small amounts of media to escape, but does not fully open. Once the system is at set pressure, the valve pops, lifting significantly to release the excess pressure. The valve continues to lift until it reaches its maximum lift and valve capacity at approximately 10% overpressure. In this scenario, the position monitor indicates that the valve opens to approximately 75% lift, as the system does not require full relief capacity during this event. As the excess pressure is released, the system pressure begins to reduce, and the valve lift drops dramatically. Once the valve reaches its blowdown pressure, the valve reseats and returns to a closed position. The valve remains closed as system pressure returns to normal operating levels. Throughout this scenario, the Fisher 4400 provides real-time, accurate position indication, allowing us to track the valve lift percentage over time and calculate volumetric release for the relief event. The Fisher 4400 position transmitter's valuable insights ensure superior environmental compliance and increased safety, reliability, and productivity.